So what you're looking at there is the top of his skull. That's where the plates of his skull grew together. That we're going to go down into his head, and each time you'll see that the image is a little larger as his head gets thicker in the middle. This slide here, you can still see on the edges, you can see the forming of the skull, and then this is actually, you're inside the skull, and you know, this is the top of his head, so you can start to see the brain here. Then the very first slide where you see brain tissue, this right here is not the cyst, this is swelling from the cyst. And then another slide down, you're still seeing swelling, and so that swelling is pretty severe. Larger yet again, still swelling as we're going down into the head. That dark area is the start of the tumor. When you see dark on this image, that indicates fluid. And so there's the cyst. You can start to barely see the tumor right there. And then the tumor's full of fluid also. This area here is all swelling. One of the things the doctors said was really bad is that you can see the swelling is pushing across the midline, which is apparently not very good, and you know, just crushing the brain there. And now you're starting to see the bottom of the cyst, but now the tumor is becoming clearer. I'm going to go back one. So there's the edge of the tumor, and then you get to the bottom, and you can see it's where now we're at the top of the eyeballs. You're starting to see the tops of the ears, swelling still coming down, and that's basically the bottom of the eyeballs, and you can still see a little bit of swelling at that level. Once you get into the nose, below the eyes, there's no apparent swelling or anything. I'm guessing that this is brain matter that's, even though there's no swelling here, it's compressed the brain down, and that's why it looks a little different. So it's pretty severe. But that's the one of the MRIs. I'll show you another one in a second.